Welcome to Introduction to Showbie. From the Showbie main page, you will enter your username and password to access your account. Once you've entered Showbie, you will be able to add any project class by simply clicking on the plus sign, entering the required code. Once you've entered the required code for your project class, just simply press Join. From here, you will be able to access your portfolio, your homeroom class, as well as any project classes. Simply click on your homeroom class to access your weekly schedule. From here, you can access the class discussion, the weekly schedule, as well as any orientation videos. Click on your schedule and you will be able to access the link to your weekly schedule. You will also have access to any assigned worksheets, as well as any required coaching sessions. By clicking on the plus sign, you will be able to add any files from your computer, files from your Google Drive, as well as add a voice note. By selecting the three dots next to a post, you will be able to add that particular document to your portfolio, make a copy, as well as download it. You can also click on the document to open it up in Showbie. Once the document has opened, you will be able to edit it right here from Showbie by selecting any of the two options on the top of the page. You can also click on the download button to download your document. You can also enlarge the page to have a better view. By clicking on the star, you will be able to add this document to your portfolio, or just simply press Done. Once you're back at the homeroom, you will see that the star is now in yellow, which indicates that this document has been added to your portfolio. You will also be able to access the class discussion. From here, students as well as ASMs will be able to add a post to the discussion. By clicking on the plus sign, from here you can also add documents from your computer, your drive, or even add a voice note. From the main Showbie page, you will also have access to your projects. Simply click on a project and you will be able to view the project video as well as all of the workflow packet forms. Simply click on any of these to view the video, click on the link, and you will be able to watch your video. If you need to leave a comment, you can also post a comment as well as add any file from your computer, drive, or a voice note. To fill out the workflow packet form, simply click on any of the following steps and you will be able to click on the link and fill out your form. From the main page, you will also be able to access your portfolio. In your portfolio, you will be able to see any documents that you have added. All of the saved documents in your portfolio will remain here for the student's entire academic journey. From the main page, you will also be able to access your group discussions. Group discussions will be used for when completing a project with another student. From here, you will be able to discuss anything in relation to your project, leave each other comments, add documents that need to be shared, as well as add a voice note if needed. Thanks for watching our Introduction to Showbie.